In this video, we're going to remove the old foam inserts off the hand grips, and we're going to install some new Grip Puppies. Here's the reason we're going to be replacing the old foam grips. They're just not as comfortable as it used to be, and from what you can see here, they're starting to tear. I actually had to tape them to keep them from tearing all the way through. Same thing on this side. You can see it's old and it's beginning to tear and fall apart. All right, so time for some Grip Puppy. To remove the old foam inserts, it's pretty simple. You take yourself a knife, utility knife, razor blade, anything like that. You put a little slit in the foam and it'll just rip apart like that. And the right side, I've learned that to put Grip Puppies on, it's much easier using zip ties. Get the zip ties into the grip or the foam insert. I'm going to put the zip ties somewhat evenly around the grip. About halfway on the grip. And now we're going to slide the foam over the grip. With the zip ties. And you're going to pull on the zip ties and pull the grip forward at the same time until you get it where you want it to be. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. Now I'm going to pull the zip ties out one at a time. And there you go. And as you can see, it's a nice little fit. It's right even with the end of the grip. Now we'll go to the clutch side and do that. All right, my friend, same process. Put the zip ties in, go past, put them around the grip, about halfway on the grip, and make sure they're evenly spread around the grip. And slide the grip over. Now we'll grab like 3 or more, and that'll help pull the grip in. Yeah, and that's good. Now we're gonna just pull one at a time out. Sweet. And that, my friends, is the easiest way that I found on how to install the Grip Puppy foam inserts over your grips. Any questions, comments, put them down below. I'll get to them as soon as I can. You all take care.